Check, check, 1 2 3, check. Ah, finally found a website that have a male voiceover. So how you doing? Everyone's healthy, everyone's good. For today's video I bought couple of loose Hot Wheels from a flea market. It's cheap and it's in a bad shape, but worry not, I'll try to restore it into something new. Since there's a Nascar car and I'm thinking, while doing some karate, do some heavy lifting. Since never watch a NASCAR race, so I'm thinking some more and triggered by a question, what's so famous in NASCAR race car? Suddenly a red color and a thunderbolt comes to mind. Aha! Lightning McQueen from Disney's movie Cars. So let's get started to make some realistic McQueen with this Hot Wheels Dodge Chrysler. Unrivet with a 4mm drill bit. Wow, this is cool. The interior is different from every car I've been customized. It's already have a roll cage. Measure the body for the decal to put on. Next is the fun part, the amazing paint remover. Polish the body with a wire brush, then move on to 2000 grit and 5000 grit sandpaper, and finish it with autosol. I'm gonna continue the project tomorrow. I'm gonna wrap it up with a tissue, so the metal won't be oxidized. I'm trying to do an experiment with the paint. First I'm going to spray with Ditton 9308 yellow candy tone and let it dry for 10 minutes. Next I'm gonna use Ditton 9311 red candy tone. I never do anything to a windshield before. Since this one is dirty, I'm trying to clean it with a glass cleaner. Let's see how it goes.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord,
While giving time for the windshield to be cleaned, let's prepare the decal. I'm using white water slide decal paper. Don't forget to clear coat it.
Is everybody in the world blind? be the greatest. Everybody
Let's move on by painting the rims red.
fake as I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant, I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, I'm losing shit. A stupid myth, you choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind?
Put the tires back after it dries completely and do the wheel swap.
A sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign. A sign. Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all that.
Move on to the interior. I just paint it black and will paint the roll cage silver with a marker.
Don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign. A sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind.
Decal time. Yay. Carefully place the decals and clear coat it with Ditton 9128 glossy clear coat.
A sign. That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
Turns out the window cleaner doesn't help much, so I decided to paint it with black candy tone.
Watching your mouth move, damn you look stupid. I feel like everyone's a stranger. Small talk with
Let's assemble them all back together.
her. She's real hot, but they said to never date her. Ah, I agree, but you did and I hate her. You wanna get away, you better get in line. Won't go another day of wasting any time. I've got a lot to say, can't hold it in this time. Got no filter, I got no filter. No filter.
A custom card for a custom car.
No filter, I got no filter. No filter, I got no filter. No filter, I got no filter. Hey man, can I get a favor? Yeah, sure, I know, see you later. Sometimes I just wanna be a hater. Gotta wash down the top 40s with a chaser. Your voice starts feeling like a waiter. Scraping my mind against a cheese grater. Before you go, sir, you have to sign a waiver. That's alright.
Now's the perfect time for you to subscribe, thumbs up, share and leave a comment. The best comment will have a place in my heart, liver, pancreas, duodenum. Now I'm hungry. Podong's beef rendang and beef fried lung sounds delicious and fabulous. Bye bye.
No